power's on.
Garfield County in northern Oklahoma.
Dang it.
Until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Marshallton to near Cashin.
Dude, the reception on this thing has gone so bad.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Aw, dang.
The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Guthrie, Lakeston, Crescent, Cashin, Coyle, Cedar Valley, Mohall, Cimarron City, Orlando, Lake Carl Blackwell, Lake McMurtry, Seward, and Navina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind.
Wait, hold on. I need to see if any FM stations are doing this. Oh my gosh.
Locations impacted include
No way, I got one?
Crescent, Cashin, Coyle, Cedar Valley, Mohall, Cimarron City, Orlando.
I got one, there's no way.
Lake McMurtry, Seward. Damaging.
Another one?
To ground like large storms. Move indoors immediately.
That's 2 stations, there's no way.
Tonight?
You are struck by lightning.
Wow, I got 2 FM stations, there's no way.